2026. Are you going to be just a participant? Are you going to be a contributor? A new year, new challenges, but what difference are you going to make in future-proofing yourselves and creating new opportunities for you? Are you going to just keep turning up and participating and being present, which is all well and good, or are you going to rock up and make a difference and really contribute to making a change? Often use this analogy when I've coached sports teams, especially football. Right, it's 3 p.m, Saturday afternoon, and you've all turned up on time. Thank you very much. Are you here because it's 3 p.m. and it's Saturday and that's what we do on a Saturday, go and play football with our mates? But you're just here to make up the numbers and just participate in a game. Or, are you here to make a difference, making a real contribution to the team by giving it everything and a little bit more as an individual and as a team, so we can give our absolute best performance? The choice is yours. It's the same in life and work. How do you want it to be? We always remember there's no them and they in our world who are going to do things for us. It's down to us. So please don't sit there in 12 months' time thinking, here we go again, another year just turning up. The choice is yours. Don't just turn up and be a participant. Turn up and be a contributor and make something positive happen for you. And enjoy it. And enjoy the journey as well. Don't forget, always keep future-proofing yourself, because if you don't do it for you, who's going to do it for you?